I got today a Maniology bag. This is not the subscription bag, box bag, monthly. That is coming. This one was another one that they offered for fall, so I grabbed it. And yeah, it comes in this. Super disappointed here. It's October and I didn't get a pineapple gummy from Maniology. So it came with 2 plates and a box with 3 polishes, and they finally figured out how to package polishes so that they don't break, because I don't know how many times I've gotten polish from Maniology Bundle Monster before and they were busted. So they have them packaged. I really like that they put these little swatchy thingies on the top so that you can see what it is over black and white, and you can swatch your polishes. On my nails right now is Brave's Diva nail polish, Combing Tangles, and I just did a review on her whole new artistic line, so go check that out. I'll put the link if I remember, and I probably won't, but you know. All right, so let's get on to this. These are fall plates, and so get a look at these. They're really adorable. There's some acorns and thankful, so this can be layered. This can all be layered, which I think is awesome. I love it. So this is like for Thanksgiving, a little turkey that you can layer. Awesome. And some leaves. So I think today I am going to, so there's all kinds of stuff, like there's just tons of little layered images, and that's why I bought this one. This one is not, I don't know what the Mani box is going to have. This one is not, this is M023. This one is not exclusive. You can purchase this. So the Maniology box, this monthly subscription box, I feel like I'm yelling. The monthly subscription box. The plates are supposedly not going to be available otherwise. They are exclusive plates, and the box has been sold out. So I'm glad I got in with it on the first month, because I don't think you can even do it anymore. Here's the other plate, M022. And I'm looking, I'm not seeing that this is layered, but it does have some really cute things on it. Oh, look at the little deer and fox. Oh, that's adorable. So it's got some really pretty things on it too. And let's do a little swatching. No. Okay. Squirrel and a turkey. Definitely fall, Thanksgiving. All right, the polish that I have on, I don't think is going to really this is really going to show up that good on this color, but I wanted just you to see these anyway. So I'm going to do a Mani but probably use different colors on this, but let's check this out. So that looks pretty good over black and white. It is just a beige, and it is called a woolly. Woolly, 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 woolly. So that's a nice taupe color. Next up is Satin Blush. Guess I could stamp my plain hand here, but that's a really pretty, like, metallic pink. And, you know, Maniology, Bundle Monster, whatever you want to call it, I'm having issue with that. Always, their plates always stamp good. I mean, I've never had an issue with them. So that doesn't look too bad over the black. And it looks really pretty over the white. And last we have Mocha Java. Once again, it looks pretty good over black and white. Alright, to do a mani, I'm going to be using Make Mine a Mudslide from Hit the Bottle Polish. I'm using Whiskey Latte and Snowed In to fill in this little decal. Alright, we're just going to cover up the fact that whenever I was painting the decal, I pulled up his legs. So I am going to put him on here, and then we're going to figure out how to disguise that he has no legs. And then I picked up the little fox and colored him in. I picked him up with Copper Haired Girl. So we want to do the inside first. So let's try this, and I think it will show up fine with the outline of the black, or the dark brown. I also have some dark green I can use. I think I'll do that. Right, there's one leaf. Guess I'll find out when I edit how much of that I missed. I did little fox, put him on there, and I just decided to do a little acorn here, and I'll do another one here just in case you missed the whole layering of the acorn. If you remember last year, it was a collab video, and I could not get the nuts to pick up. I fought the little nuts forever. There we go. Put some top coat on and be right back. Alright, so even when I'm going to matte top coat, I always shiny top coat first, because that gives it a nice even, especially, you know, like sometimes whenever you've done a decal, it's a little lumpy because you put the polish on a couple layers. So I always do a shiny top coat first, and then I go over it with a matte. My matte is also Purple Willow Apothecary. She has sales all the time. It's not very expensive anyway, and it is a great matte. And this one is the scent of Sexy Jamaican. And there they are, matte. I hope you like my little fall design. I'm just glad to be past Halloween and into just plain old fall. Moving into Thanksgiving manis. Alright, you guys, I've got so much to review and so much to show you in the next couple weeks, and I hope I can get it all done. Bye! Okay, although she is pretty well trained, if you've got treats, she's like immediately doing what you're telling her to do without a word. Well, Sam brought Riley home for breakfast this morning, so I gave her a bowl. But she didn't want that one. She went to Sam's bowl. Penny, so I put Sam's bowl over here for him, and Penny's bowl goes up here. Well, that's Penny's food Sam's eating. Penny's eating Riley's food. Riley's eating Sam's food. Correction, Riley ate Sam's food. Alright, gave some more to Riley so Penny would keep eating. Having trouble her eating lately. Because she likes eating with the pack though. Riley, you're going to end up with like that. Like a sausage.